This video is to show you how to go about figuring your cost under a health insurance scenario. So to begin, I just want to review a few of the terms. So first we have our monthly premium. So remember, with health insurance we pay monthly as opposed to quarterly or once a year like we do with car insurance. So we have your monthly premium of $600 per month. The deductible, this is what we pay first before health insurance pays anything. Next, we have a new term, coinsurance. So this is our percent of every bill that we will pay towards our final, which is the out-of-pocket max. This max is the most we will pay out of our pocket for our health insurance, excluding the copay and the premium. All right, so here's our scenario. You have a doctor appointment and a surgical procedure for your appendix. The cost of everything is $25,000. So I have your bill is $25,000. The deduction, the first portion you pay is $1,000, and the most we will pay is $3,000. So step one that we need to take into account is our copay. So for every doctor appointment we have to pay $35. This does not go towards our max. This is just a separate charge. So I'm going to write here copay, $35. All right. Next, we need to look at our bill. So we have $25,000. So step one, take our bill minus 1,000. So this is our deductible. So I'm just going to put deduct. I'm going to box this off. So this is, including this, cash that comes out of our pocket. So step one, subtract your deductible. What's left is $24,000. Now I'm going to go over to the side here and I'm going to do a little tally. So we got max $3,000 out of pocket. We're going to subtract the $1,000 for our deductible to come up with $2,000. So that's what we have left to pay for the year before insurance pays for everything. Okay. Step two, we're going to take, we'll call this the amount due, times our coinsurance. So if we go back up here, we agreed to pay 20% of all the bills. So to do that, be 24, be 4,800. So here is where things get a little different. So I'm just going to put this as like our share. However, this $4,800 is greater than the $2,000 left we have on our max. Therefore, the only portion of this we have to pay is $2,000. So I'm just going to write up here $4,800 greater than $2,000. Okay, so of this $4,800, we actually only have to pay $2,000, which I'm going to put down here and then box off. Okay, so in the end, so what did we pay? $2,000 plus our deductible plus $35. So we have $3,035. Our insurance, they paid, of the 24, we only had to pay 2. So insurance paid $22,000. Okay. How much did we pay in premiums? So let's think about what is our total cost. So our total cost, $600 a month. Times 12. $7,200 per year, plus what we paid for the procedure. And I'll mark that as we pay. Gets you $10,035 for the year. Okay? So under this scenario, the amount out of your pocket to have insurance and to use it would be $10,035. Now, this can be, let's give you another scenario or an additional scenario. So let's say with this insurance, you had a follow-up surgery. Cost $3,000. Because we paid to our max. So be up here for our maximum, 2,000 minus 1 plus the 2 from over here. All 3,000 insurance pays. All right? We pay $0. So after we get to our max, we no longer have to pay for any bills for the rest of the year. Now, when the new year happens, then we have to restart and repay. So let's try one more here. So why don't we use the same scenario at top. And let's say instead it's a brand new year. So we're going to start all from scratch again. So again, we have our max, 3,000. Our deductible, 1,000. And for the year, we did really well. We only had 2 doctor appointments. And they cost $400 each. All right. In this scenario, so I'm going to do doctor appointment number 1. So we would have copay. So step 1, copay, $35. Step 2. So if this is 400, we have our bill, which is 400. That is less than our deductible. So we will pay all 400. What we want to do then is go over here and subtract. Okay, so now we're at a point we only owe $600 more before insurance pays. Most we'll have to pay this year is $2,600. Doctor appointment 2. Again, $400. Every appointment, we have our copay of $35. And this does not apply to the deductible or max. Step 2, take our bill, 400. Again, this is less than our remaining deductible. And so we owe full $400. right? So if this were to be it for the entire year, our cost total, again, would be our step one, the premium, which is 600 times months so we get 7,200 again. And then I will put appointments. We have 435 and 435 again. Okay, so total cost for the year would be $8,070. So under this scenario, we don't even use up all of our deductible, so it doesn't cost us as much as the last time. However, because we did not use it, which is a good thing, the insurance actually did not have to pay anything on our behalf. So that's a way that they would make money as a company. All right, so using these two things, this little scenarios as a guide, complete the 5 questions I have posted, and then we will review those questions and expand on our insurance math in our next meeting. Good luck.